Hi guys, today I have a very special guest doing my voiceover. Zion?
So today I'll be showing you how my mom made these oats and peanut butter energy balls. What you'll need are 1.5 cups of quick oats, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of mini M&Ms. Since she doesn't have M&Ms at hand, she's chopping these M&M eggs into small pieces. In a bowl, pour the oats, honey, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. Mix it thoroughly. Then divide the mixture into 2. Now add the chocolate chips into one mixture and M&Ms into the other. Mix each of them completely and let's make our energy balls. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and using a cookie scoop start forming your balls. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can always use a spoon. Once these are all formed, you store them in an airtight container and refrigerate for a week. My daddy loves these, so do me and my sister. I hope you will love it too. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!